demonstrate my tips how to make a perfect eyebrows when you are going to prepare and going anywhere. You want to show up, you want look like this one. I will show you my tip today how you can do the perfect eyebrows for any occasion that you are going to. So yeah, first I will apply my foundation first, and before foundation I have to primer my face. After that I have to apply. I'm just gonna apply a tiny one, not that much. Applying any makeup, you don't look like crazy. First I will apply, of course I have to apply the foundation. I will go with the True L'Oreal by of course from L'Oreal. So I will just do a little bit. I don't need to do apply too much foundation because I'm not gonna apply a lot of makeup. Just so I will just dab it in like this one. So now it's done. A lot of people don't do eyebrows in front of the camera because why? It takes time, and to make a perfect eyebrows it takes a lot of time, and you need to take your time and do the perfect thing, of course, for your follower. So now I will go with the two liner, two eyebrows. One is black and one is brown, of course. This one is my favorite shade, and this one is the one I use it for some time. I don't usually use it. So now I will go and grab my mirror. I will grab my mirror and I will show you how I can do my eyebrows easily in front of the camera. So here, first I will make a line here. Of course, if you make a mistake, just you can wipe it with your hand and make it together like this one. And then you get a grab. It look crazy, you know, but when I'm working on, it's just gonna look perfect. I will grab my brown pencil and just work on here. Of course, you can line here too. And then work in to fill in. Can see it still look crazy. You don't believe it later on. And now I have to fill in the tail with the black pencil. Of course the tail should be look black at the end here, so look at it right now. See? No? As you can see, now still crazy. Now what can I do again? Before that I have to go with my brush first. I have to brush it up to blend everything together. Now I will go with my, I have two concealers, one for upper on my top on my eyebrows and one for my under my eyebrows here to make it a little bit lighter. So before that, if you don't want to apply, if you don't have a dark concealer on top on that, yes, you can go and apply any foundation on top on that, and I will show you later. If you apply the concealer also and it's still the line up of the concealer is still showing up above here on top on the forehead, you have to clean it with the foundation, and I will show you soon. Of course, I will grab my brush, this one. And you need just to take your time. When you are doing your eyebrows, you need to take your time. You don't need to hurry up, to be in a hurry. They are perfect. You will make just too close together here with the concealer, and then later on it will be just very easy. It's not that hard. I will go and grab another brush. I have another one, so I will grab new brush like this one here. Is the same thing here. First I will be cleaning my concealer. I will take the dark concealer and I will go above my on top on my eyebrows. Here is this one is dark cocoa in Ali Pro Girl concealer. See now how it look like this one, like here, like the place that I do like this one with the concealer, and concealer is like that one. Which kind you can do, you just need to take like I will grab my foundation here to show you. Just take a little small bump here like this one, as you can see it, and then I have to work or just do it in my hand like this one so it doesn't do anything, and then I have to go and clean it right here, so to match with the normal foundation that you apply it in, so it doesn't affect your foundation or your face. It doesn't show. This is my tip for you. See how it look now? It look very, very natural. And then just you need to clean to work in, just in the right here, and just let it match with your foundation. Go on with my I will go on top on that. I have a clear gel brows here. Is from Central Beverly Hills. So this one is good also. You have to grab it too. When you are going to do your eyebrows, you're going somewhere and you want to look good, so you have to have this one. This one is very good after you're done cleaning your everything is done. So look now how it look. It look very, very, very natural, and everyone like something like perfect, you know. So I will go with my gel brows here and just now it's just easy to go. That's it. You don't need to take time. So now it look good. You are all done. Only in 20 minutes or 5 minutes. You are not gonna take that long, you know. So this is my eyebrows tutorial for today for you guys. If you like it, try it out and you will love it. It will be very, very, very easy. So this is try my tip out. It will very, very help you, and you won't be regret, and you will love it. And when you are doing your eyebrows, it doesn't take long time. Just take easy. It will get really easy like that. And so yeah, so I will end the video from here. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. To join the family, put the thumb up for the video if you enjoy it. and click the bell for notification so you will be notified when I upload my new video. Thank you for watching.